Hi student, this is Okumar. 11th standard mathematics, chapter number 6, continuation of exercise 6.3, now problem number 19. Find at least two equations of the straight lines in the family of the lines y that is equal to 5x plus b, for which b and the x coordinate of the point of intersection of the lines with 3x minus 4y that is equal to 6 are integers. Look at the word intersection, so that you have to solve these two equations, right? The condition b and the x coordinate are integers. Remember, here are the two equations. We can solve the two equations by elimination method, or even you can go for that substitution method. I go for that substitution method because in equation number 1, y in terms of x, this y can be replaced in equation number 2. Look at that, 3x minus 4 into y. This y can be replaced by 5x plus b, that is equal to 6. So 3x minus 4 into 5, 20, 20x minus 4 into b minus 4b, that is equal to 6. 3x minus 20x, that is equal to minus 17x, that is equal to 6. Minus 4b comes right hand side, plus 4b. So x, that is equal to 6 plus 4b divided by minus 7. Minus 7 comes to the denominator. Even you can write x, that is equal to minus of 6 plus 4b divided by 17. Okay. If you multiply by minus, you will be getting minus 6 minus 4b whole divided by 17. Here in this question, you are given b and x are integers. Since 17 is in denominator, since x is an integer, the numerator has to be the multiple of 17. Multiple of 17. So how to write? Since x is an integer, the numerator minus 6 minus 4b, that is equal to, since 17 is a denominator, it can be plus or minus 17, or you have to take the multiple of 17. 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, etc. Okay. Now I take plus or minus 17. If minus 6 minus 4b, that is equal to 17. First I take 17. Minus 4b, that is equal to 17 minus 6 comes right hand side, plus 6. Minus 4b, that is equal to 23. 17 plus 6 is 23. And b, that is equal to 23 divided by minus 4. And that is b, that is equal to minus 23 by 4. It is not possible because b is also an integer given. It is not an integer. Not possible. Okay, it doesn't belong to z. Z refers set of all integer. Now I go for that minus 17 now. If minus 6 minus 4b, that is equal to minus 17, if minus 6 minus 4b, that is equal to minus 17, now we can find the value of b. Minus 4b, that is equal to minus 17, it comes right hand side, plus 6. Minus 4b, that is equal to minus 17 plus 6, that is minus 11, which implies both minus get cancelled. It will be getting b, that is equal to 11 by 4. Here, sorry, I have to mention here, doesn't belong to z. It is not an integer, it is a fraction, it is a rational number. It has to be an integer, okay. It is also, look at that, it doesn't belong to that integer. Therefore, it is not possible. So what is given in that question? B and x must be an integer. Next, so plus 17 and minus 17 not possible. Now I go for plus 34 and minus 34. Okay. Now when or if minus 6 minus 4b, look at that, minus 6 minus 4b, that is equal to plus 34. Plus 34. Then minus 4b, that is equal to 34 plus 6, which implies minus 6 comes right hand side, plus 6 minus 4b, that is equal to 34 plus 6 is 40, b that is equal to 40 divided by minus 4, therefore b that is equal to minus 10. Yes, it belongs to an integer. It is possible. It can be considered. Okay, I got the value of b. Okay, now I take minus 34 now. Minus 6 minus 4b, that is equal to minus 34. If minus 6 minus 4b, that is equal to minus 34, minus 4b, that is equal to minus 34, it comes right hand side, plus 6, minus 4b, that is equal to minus 34 plus 6, that is equal to minus 28. Here also minus minus get cancelled, and b that is equal to 28 divided by 4, and b that is equal to 7. It belongs to an integer. The question, we have to write at least two equations. So we got the values of b, that is minus 10 and plus 7. It is enough. Now look at that question. Find at least two equations. At least two equations, minimum two equations. It is enough to write only two equations minimum. So when b that is equal to minus 10, I am going to substitute the values of b in equation number 1. Okay, the required equation is when b that is equal to minus 10, when b that is equal to minus 10, equation number 1 implies y that is equal to, look at that equation number 1, 5x plus b. 5x plus b value is minus 10. We can stop the answer at this stage, or else we can keep that y in the right hand side. We will be getting 5x minus y minus 10 equals 0. This is one answer. Next value of b is 7. Look at that. B that is equal to 7 here. When b that is equal to 7, substitute in equation number 1, y that is equal to 5x plus y that is equal to 5x plus 7, or else 5x plus y comes right hand side, minus y plus 7, that is equal to 0. That's all. So problem number 19 is completed. Then I'll be teaching problem number 20 in the next video. Thank you, children.